Hi, are you looking for best strategy to trade futures market in 2023? Let me talk to you about repeatability factor when you consider strategy. So why repeatability? Why do you want to pay attention to repeatability factor? Because repeatability of your strategy, it affects your time you spend while trading. So what I mean is, if your strategy is more repeatable during the trading session, then you have more chances to trade the strategy. If your strategy is less repeatable, in the sense that it occurs less, your setup occurs less, you will have less opportunities to trade. It also provides an option to fix mistakes. So for example, if your strategy only occurs once a day, then if you are wrong on that strategy, you will have to wait for another day until the strategy shows up. It also provides an edge with a past evaluation accounts such as Apex, Leading, Bruno, StopStep, and others. Because the more chances you have to enter a trade, the more likely you will have chances to win, right? So let's look at these just different strategies, breakout strategies, harmonic patterns, this what you call it, kangaroo tail. These are some candlestick patterns. Now, I'm not against these patterns. I'm just saying that how often do you see them occur during your trading session? I mean, they may occur once, twice, 3 times, 4 times for the whole session. Like I said, I'm not speaking against them. I'm just saying that how often do you get them? How repeatable are they? So I know I'm biased. I'm biased towards bounce trader, but I want to show you how repeatable bounce method is. So let's look at these example from a real charts. We'll take the whole week, and let's look at those charts. So we're only looking at the first 60 minutes of the trading session. So if you pay attention here, the first trade was 9:30 here, and our last trade was here at 10:30. So I went ahead and plotted. Look at the setups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 setups just in the first 60 minutes trading MNQ. If you were on here, would you get a chance to fix your mistakes somewhere down the road? Of course you will. Look, all these setups are valid setups. They're according to the bounce method. Let's look at another day, the next day. This was Tuesday. Look at how many setups do we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have about 20 setups here in the first 60 minutes. Now, you don't need to be here 60 minutes, right? You can trade only 5 minutes. Get your 5 trades and be done with your day. But if you made a mistake here, like there was a failure here, I put a black box here, well, you get another setup right here next to it. This was all these setups, they're winning setups, except this black box trade. Look at the next day. This is Wednesday. We have the market is just anticipating Fed speech, so it was just basically ranging market. And if you look at 5 minutes, it's just barcodes and barcodes. But look at here, it still provides you with valid setups. This is a valid setup. This is valid setup. This is valid bounce. This is valid bounce. All these are valid bounces except this black one. And you get about 10 setups during the first 60 minutes on Wednesday. Let's look at Thursday. Now there was news coming up at 10 o'clock. There was a little bit of activity before 9:30, but I just wanted to show you here. Look, we have in a span of 5 minutes, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 valid trades in a span of 5 minutes. Well, in a span of 10 minutes actually. So the repeatability factor of bounce trader is very, very high. Look at this Friday. We have about 20 setups just in the first 60 minutes of trading. See? So if you are wrong here, this trade, you have plenty of opportunities to fix your trades. So I just wanted to share this with you guys that you want to pay attention to repeatability factor of your strategy because it will affect your time you spend on your trading, and it's either will allow you to fix your mistakes or will not provide you with a chance to fix your mistakes. And especially it's really important when you're trying to pass funded accounts. The description of the strategies will be in the link below. If you like the video, hit that like button. Thanks for watching.